How do dogs recognize humans? Dogs have an incredible ability to recognize not just our faces and voices, but also the emotions we carry. Research shows that dogs can distinguish between human facial expressions and tone of voice. A cheerful tone and a warm smile can shape how a dog responds to us. They don't just rely on our physical appearance, they also sense our mood and behavior. This deep connection explains why dogs are so attuned to their owners, recognizing them not just with their eyes, but with their hearts as well.